to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make an instant vanilla ice cream. And you can make it only in 10 minutes, which is really awesome. So let's get into this video. Putting on top, and we're going to use whipped cream. We're going to use
this is heavy cream.
Heavy cream. And we're going to use this kind of blender, tiny blender, and vanilla essence, brown sugar, and sprinkles at the end. So now we're gonna add sugar and vanilla essence for the flavor. Now let's blend it. Oh, it's Satan! Blend it. So now she's blending it. We're blending it now. Don't get it up and splash everywhere. Just mix it. We're gonna divide it. So Anvi's going to do her share, and I'm gonna do my share. And also we have this big, humongous bowl of ice. And we're gonna make this into half each for both of us.
So we are going to add half of the cream in one ziploc.
And second in the other ziploc.
So basically this ice cream is going to be ready in just 10 minutes. All we have to do is put the ice cream in this ziploc. This is ziploc number 1. It should be tightly sealed. Okay. And ziploc number 2, we are going to put the rest of this cream in this.
All of it, all of it, all of it. Now what are we going to do?
There is lots of sugar in it.
Funny.
Now take out all the excess air from this and make sure you are locking it tight.
And now we keep them in the big ziploc.
So our 2 sets of ice cream is ready. We are going to make it into ice cream now. So now let's fill this big ziploc bag.
Ice, falling ice, melting ice. Oh, I don't want to hold it. Do I have to? Ah! Okay, now we're gonna keep
Now let's add the
all.
salt.
There's lots and lots.
And place this ziploc inside this and lock it. Now let's put some cloth. I don't know. Oh my god, can you believe this?
Oh my god! This is unbelievable!
Can you see that? Here is the ice cream. Instant ice cream in just
It's so
10
second!
minutes. This is our ice cream over
Can
here.
I taste it?
Ice cream, guys.
I can.